Welcome everyone. This is Roger, Assistant Professor of English from Jaira Channabokim College for Women Autonomous, Perikulam, Theni. The topic which I am going to present is Indian writing in English. English is a foreign language, but since the British came to India, the language has had an impact on several fields in education, literary effort, and as a medium of communication. Indian English literature has passed through several phases such as Indo-Anglian literature, Anglo-Indian literature, and Indian writing in English. Indo-Anglian literature is the genre written and created by Indians through English language, whereas Anglo-Indian literature is written by English people on themes and subjects related to India. Indo-Anglian literature deals mainly about national identity, culture, feeling for the Indian landscape, livelihood, and so on. In spite of its diverse cultures, races, and religions, Indian writing in English has successfully recaptured and reflected the multicultural and multilingual society. Indian English literature refers to that body of work by writers from India who writes in English language, whose native and co-native language could be one of the numerous regional and indigenous languages of India, such as Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati, Assamese, etc. It also includes writers of the Indian diaspora born in India but residing elsewhere. The use of English for the exposition of Indian view has opened up new gateways of interpretation of Indian scenario. Rajaram Mohan Roy, an advocate of English education, was the first Indian to write prose in English. Mahatma Gandhi's writing was marked by simplicity, politeness, and clarity of thought, which are the essential attributes of a good prose. Let's have a look on the works of popular writers who paved the way in Indian writing in English. The history of Indian English poetry in 1830 began with Kashi Prasad Ghosh. However, Henry Derozio was considered the earliest Indian English poet, and then Madhusudan Dutt, Manmohan Ghose, and Toru Dutt played a vital role in producing English poetry to India. The Indian English novel began to prove its mark in the global literary scenario: East-West conflict, multiculturalism, social realism, gender issues, comic aspect of human nature, ecological concerns, magic realism, diaspora writings, and the like became the themes of Indian novels. This course aims to create awareness among the students of the rich and diverse literary cultures of India. It also aims to introduce students to the major literary works of Indian writers in English, such as R.K. Narayan, Anita Desai, Derozio, Kamala Das, Nissim Ezekiel, Robin S. Nangum, Mulkraj Anand, Salman Rushdie, Rohinton Mistry, and Shashi Deshpande. This course offers an introduction to the rich culture and society of India. We will explore literary work in different genres such as poetry, prose, and novel. It intends to provide the plot of an Indian writing in English. Learning literature helps the learners to understand the different culture and tradition of the particular society. Socio-cultural aspect of the Indians could be thoroughly analyzed in this paper. Themes and context of the Indian novel, the aesthetics of Indian poetry, and the elevated ideas in Indian prose can make the students to acquire more knowledge about Indian English literature. I conclude my session by saying that being an Indian, it is necessary to study Indian writing in English to acquire more about the themes of multiculturalism, social realism, gender issues, aspect of human nature, ecological concerns, diaspora elements, identity crisis, education in India, existentialism, and alienation from the above authors whom I mentioned. I am sure that you have got an outline of Indian writing in English. Thank you for watching.